Diseases that cure with turmeric. How to use it. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice derived from the Curcuma longa plant, primarily found in India and Southeast Asia. It's known for its vibrant color and earthy flavor, but what makes it truly special is its active compound, curcumin. Turmeric, often referred to as nature's miracle, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its powerful healing properties. Today, we'll explore 10 diseases that turmeric can treat, backed by scientific studies. You won't believe what this golden spice can do for your well-being. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our health tips and remedies. Let's get started. Supports strong bones. Curcumin is the powerhouse within turmeric that's believed to have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties make it a promising candidate for alleviating arthritis symptoms. But we don't just want to rely on hearsay. Let's look at some scientific studies. Research published in reputable journals suggests that curcumin may reduce joint pain, swelling, and stiffness in arthritis patients. It works by blocking inflammatory pathways at a molecular level. Heart disease. Inflammation plays a significant role in the development and progression of heart disease. It can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, ultimately increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. There's been a growing body of scientific research exploring the potential benefits of turmeric on heart health. Studies suggest that curcumin may help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and improve the function of blood vessels. Cancer prevention. Curcumin, the superstar of turmeric, has garnered a lot of attention. Not only does it lend that vibrant color to curries, but it also boasts incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties make it a prime candidate for cancer prevention. So, what does science have to say about turmeric's potential in preventing cancer? Studies have shown that curcumin may inhibit the growth of cancer cells by interfering with their signaling pathways. Diabetes management. Diabetes is a global health concern, affecting millions of lives every day. It's a condition that requires careful management to prevent complications. But what if I told you that there's a natural ingredient sitting right in your kitchen that might help? For those dealing with diabetes, turmeric might be a game changer. Recent studies have shown that turmeric may have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. Friends, please like this video, subscribe, and write a comment, because it helps us a lot. Or you can just write from which country you are watching this video. Enhances immune function. What we can do to support our immune system's optimal performance is a hot topic. Taking a high-quality turmeric pill is one suggestion that is often missed. Turmeric supports our immune system's ability to respond with antibodies. Pathogens and other germs that could be harmful to our health are combated by antibodies. Type 2 diabetes. Curcumin may be helpful in the prevention or treatment of type 2 diabetes because it can help fight inflammation and maintain stable blood sugar levels. In one study, which included 240 pre-diabetic persons, it was discovered that taking a curcumin pill for 9 months reduced the likelihood that they would acquire diabetes. There is still much to learn, but most of the research to date has focused on animals rather than humans. Acne. Some people suggest that applying a turmeric face mask to their skin or consuming turmeric can help them get rid of persistent zits. This claim may be supported by turmeric's alleged antibacterial and anti-inflammatory characteristics. Sadly, there isn't any solid scientific evidence to support this. Turmeric can be used to create a natural face mask. Mix it with yogurt and honey, apply it to your face, and say hello to a gorgeous, glowing complexion. Promotes healthy blood pressure levels. Numerous things can have an impact on blood pressure. Alpha receptors help our body's blood arteries expand and contract, which directly affects blood pressure. According to research, turmeric may help maintain healthy blood pressure within normal ranges by reducing the activity of certain alpha receptors that cause the blood vessels to tighten and spasm. Fights brain aging. Memory and other cognitive abilities that tend to deteriorate as we age can be helped by protecting the brain from aging causes like oxidative stress, Curcumin inhibits the growth of plaque deposits in the brain that can impair long-term memory. The curcuminoids in turmeric spice reduce oxidative stress, extending the life of neurons, the messenger cells in our brain. Liver health. One of the key benefits of turmeric is its ability to support liver detoxification. It helps your liver break down and eliminate toxins, ensuring your body stays clean and healthy. Say goodbye to that sluggish feeling. Inflammation can be the enemy of a healthy liver. But fear not, turmeric can help reduce inflammation, protecting your liver from harm. It's like giving your liver a shield to fend off potential threats. Turmeric doesn't stop at detox and inflammation, it also improves liver function. It enhances bile production, which aids in digestion and the breakdown of fats. Your liver will thank you for this natural boost. Contraindications for turmeric consumption. If you have gallbladder issues or are prone to gallstones, turmeric can worsen your condition. It may stimulate the gallbladder, leading to pain and discomfort. Turmeric is a natural blood thinner. If you're already taking blood-thinning medications, consuming too much turmeric can increase the risk of bleeding. Pregnant women need to be cautious about turmeric consumption. Excessive turmeric intake during pregnancy can stimulate the uterus and potentially lead to complications. It's best to consult a doctor before adding it to your diet. Now, let's get to the main question: how much turmeric should you consume daily? The general guideline is about 1 to 3 grams of dried turmeric powder a day. That's roughly half to a full teaspoon. If you're using curcumin supplements, a typical dose ranges from 500 to 2,000 milligrams per day. Now, let's talk about incorporating turmeric into your daily life. Here are 3 simple and delicious recipes to help you harness its healing power. First up, we have the famous golden milk. This warm, soothing drink combines turmeric, milk, and honey for a comforting and nutritious beverage. Next, try a turmeric smoothie. Blend turmeric, banana, Greek yogurt, and a dash of black pepper for a refreshing and health-packed treat. Turn your ordinary rice into a vibrant side dish. Just add a pinch of turmeric while cooking for a beautiful yellow hue. And for a savory option, whip up some turmeric roasted vegetables. Drizzle olive oil and turmeric over your favorite veggies, then roast to perfection. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights into holistic health. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.